Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating a smoky eye, and to start off I've already done my base, so we're just going to do the eyes today, and I'm just applying a little bit of this Huda Beauty baking powder to catch any fallout from the shadows. For the majority of the eyeshadow look, we're going to be using this Sipping Pretty eyeshadow palette by Kylie Cosmetics. And taking the shade Pregame, we're just warming that into our crease to create a soft transition. Alrighty, so we've deepened that transition quite a bit. Now I'm just taking the shade Mimosa to deepen the eye socket a little bit more and create that smokiness before we put down the black. Also, I really want to emphasize how dark I want this purple to be. You'll see as I start to build it and build it to almost be as dark as the black. Honestly, guys, with smoky eyes, it's all about patience. It's very, very little colors that you'll use, but it's just about the patience that you have while you're blending. The blending process is pretty long, but it's worth it because with black, you want to make sure you really, really, really blend and there's no harsh lines. I frequently like to go back to the first brush that I used for the transition to blend together the purple and the orangey transition shade so that there's no harsh lines and it diffuses softly. So as you can see, I've deepened up that purple shade quite a bit, and I'm just going to continue to keep doing that until it is as dark as I want it. And do not forget to go back and blend out with the brush that we used for the first transition shade. That is going to help it diffuse easily and quickly. With shades like this, you do not want to forget that step. It is crucial. It's very hard to fix purple shadow or dark shadow when there's too much of it, but when there's a little bit and you frequently blend it out, it's easier. And here I am just dragging a little bit of that purple shade very, very, very lightly underneath the eye to create the shape of the eyeshadow that I want. But let me emphasize that I'm barely, barely touching the brush to my face. I know it looks like I'm very harsh with it, but trust me, I'm barely touching it, so you're getting a very soft shade. Now for the fun part, I'm taking the black shade from the Kylie palette. It's in the name Blackout, I believe. Cannot remember, but it's just the black shade in the palette. And I'm placing that all over the lid as close to the lash line as I can. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit messy, and you're going to apply a lot of it at first, but we're going to go back and blend it with a fluffy, small blending brush. Now to blend, oh my god. You guys, I forgot to mention I am sick and very tired, and my voice is very scratchy, so I'm sorry about that. But at this point, we are blending the black into the crease, and this is actually the brush that comes in the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. I really like this brush for blending out black shadow or dark shadows on the lid. It's like the secret of black eyeshadow, black smoky eyes. Okay, this brush will change your life when trying to blend out black shadow, trust me. It's such a good one, but I'm just blending that up into the crease, and I'm going to keep packing on the black. And I'm just going to keep packing on the black until we get that desired depth that we want. I want it very, very smoky, so this is a process. Just be patient. Taking a little bit of that same black shade, I'm using a smaller, flatter brush to smudge or smoke out the bottom lash line. After that step, we're dipping back into the Mimosa shade with that same brush and applying a little bit of that just right underneath the black. Okay, so I actually have no idea what happened to the other clip. Sometimes weird things happen while editing, but I did go in with a shimmery shade from the DesixKaty Freindcation palette in the color, I think it's called Try Me. Any shimmery black shade will work as long as it's like thick enough. If it's like very sheer shimmer, it's probably not going to look the same. And aside from that, I'm obviously just applying a little bit of black kohl liner in my waterline. Next, we're just going to be applying a little bit of mascara to prep the lashes for some falsies. And for falsies today, I'm going to be using some from Amazon that I'll link below. Hey guys, so this is the end result. I have no idea what's going on with my computer right now. My media is gone for this last clip. I don't know what happened, but I really wanted to show you guys the end result. And I really wanted to thank you guys for watching through the video. I hope that the eyeshadow was easy to recreate. Please let me know what you want to see next, and I will definitely link down below the lipsticks and the lip glosses and the lip liner that I use. Thanks guys, bye.